Tired of your old Rocket League bride and itching for a fresh look? In this video, I'll walk you through pimping up your car straight from your PC. So no dilly-dallying, let's dive right in. First of all, fire up Rocket League on your computer. Once the game loads up, click on Garage from the left side menu. Then click on Customize Car. From here, you will be able to customize your car to your heart's content. From the body section, you'll be able to change the type of car you want. Next, we have the decal, basically the car paint design. Just choose the one you like. Next, we have the paint finish. You can change the primary tint and the accent of your car. You can change it for both the blue and orange themes. Next up, we got the wheels. You can choose whatever type of wheel you want. After that, you have the option to change how your Rocket League boost looks. Then there's the topper, and after that, you will find antenna. You can add community flags, international flags, or Monster Cat flags as your antenna flag. After that, you will find the option to choose the goal explosion animation. Next up, we have the trail animation changing feature. Finally, there's the engine audio switch up. Yup, you can totally tweak how your engine sounds. And that's it! That's how you customize your car in Rocket League. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. Hungry for more Rocket League related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.